In this video, we're going to take our Pinewood Derby car and put it into a 1:1 scale, so that's the actual size, and we're going to have different views so that we can use these views as a template. We're going to have the side view without the wheels, so if I just take those wheels away for you so that we can use this as a template to cut out the side. We're also going to have the front view. I'll zoom out a bit so you can use that as a template, and we're going to have the top view. Okay, now obviously it's quite difficult to do it like the way I've done it by moving the view cube around, but with this new way it will be a lot easier. So once you've got your model in front of you and you're happy with it, what I need you to do is go and press the plus, which is at the bottom left. That says insert new element, and you're going to create a drawing. Here, go to custom template. Now the piece of wood that you're making your car out of does fit on a landscape piece of A4. So ISO A4 millimeters, and we're going to go to third angle. So the difference between first angle and third angle is that if I was looking at this controller and this was the front, then in third angle the top view is on the top and the bottom view is on the bottom, and this view here is on that side and this view there is on that side. And with first angle everything is different. So with first angle the top view is actually the bottom of it because it's projected through and makes things a bit confusing. So we're going to go third angle. So ISO English A4 millimeters and third angle, and then OK. Now that's going to open up a new document, and the first thing it's going to do is just ask us what we want, what part do we want. Now if you want the entire car, you would go to this one here, Part Studios, and click that. But we don't want the entire car because we're not making the wheels. The wheels are already made. We just want the side of the car. So you can actually unclick that and just click Part 1, which is the first thing you did. And you can see the view scale. Well, we're going to go 1:1, so it's the actual size, which is at the top. See, that's smaller. And we're right at the edge here. We're going to click. So already that is the front view. And now what we're going to do is the side view. So you see projected view, make sure that's on. Come to the side and you can see it's gone long. And that is the side view. And then we click that again, and this time I'm going to go directly above, and that's the top view. Now normally we can actually, if you wanted, you don't have to, but you could check things. So you could add a dimension there to there, and look at that, the wheels are 45 millimeters apart. Or we could go here to here. Okay, or you could do the height, 28. So already we know that that's actually 3 millimeters more than I have. So this part here is the part that I would cut from the waste material here. Okay, once that's done and you're happy with it, what you do is you go to the three lines, the document menu, you go to print, and it will look like this. You make sure that's 1:1, okay, there, and you see it's A4, and then you're going to click print and fill the page up. Okay, when you printed that and it's on A4, then that takes you to the marking out stage, and that's all there is to it.